friendos, it's Haley here. So I took a 2-week hiatus, just had some stuff going on, just needed a little bit of a mental health break, if you will. So I am very excited to get back into it. I feel like I haven't filmed in eons. So I'm super stoked about today's video. I am doing a little bit of a dream board and I'm building it into my planner like I had done last year. I just really enjoy looking back at my dream boards. I find it super fun. So I bought some cute magazines. I'm going to cut the shit out of them and it's gonna be lit. If you don't know what a dream board is or a vision board, essentially what it is you cut up pictures or even words that inspire you, things that you want to bring into the next year, 6 months, whatever, and you put it all together on like a piece of paper or even in a picture frame, and you have that as motivation to get you to where you want to go. So for instance, last year on my vision board, I had a car because I wanted to get my license, and that was motivation for me every day to be like, hey, am I working towards getting my license? If I'm not, what am I doing? It also works as like law of attraction, kind of manifesting. A lot of people use this technique as well. Personally, I just like it for like self-expression, and I like it to document where I am in my life. I've made vision boards on Pinterest over the last couple of years, and it's fun to look back and see what my goals were for that each year. Sometimes it's very cringy, it's very personal, but I enjoy it. So let me know if you guys have ever made vision boards, or let me know if you're planning on making one. I would love it if you would tag me on Instagram if you decide to make one after seeing this, or if you already have one, just yeah, tag me. I would love to see it. So let's jump on in. So to start, I'm just going through my magazines here, looking for words and pictures that inspire me and align with my goals that I have for the following year. And then I'm just dog-earing the pages so I can go back after and cut them all out. Turns out the 2 magazines that I bought ended up not being the best, so I went through and cut up my Star Wars Vanity Fair, and I cried. Anyways, yeah. All right, so now that I've picked out a fair amount of pictures and words, I'm just going to go back through and cut them all out. There isn't exactly a proper place for a dream board in the back of my happy planner, but thankfully, because it's a happy planner, I'm just going to take out one of my older pages I didn't use and use that for my base for my dream board. I wanted to cover up the extra page here with some sort of paper or foil so that you couldn't see that it said 2020, but I ended up not even needing it, so you can absolutely bail on this step. Here I'm just playing around with my placing and deciding what looks good where before I commit to actually gluing everything. I'm pretty content with how it turned out. I was getting a little worried that I couldn't find very many pictures, and I was finding that I was drawn to more wording and fonts, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. I really like it. I think I like it better than I liked my last year's. If you want to check out last year's, I show it off very briefly in my planner flip through video, which I can link up here. The theme I was kind of going for here was like mental health stability, future online content, so not just for this channel but for my Instagram and possibly a podcast and other things as well. I did put my mom, my space mom, who I look up to very much, Carrie Fisher, and then I also put Daisy Ridley, who I have a huge crush on, just because I like to look at her. I put in some of my witchy stuff because I want to get better at my craft, and I put immunity because if I do not get the COVID vaccine this year, I'm going to lose my fucking mind, dudes. I want to go outside my home and not be fucking terrified every time I do it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Does it look cool? Even if it doesn't necessarily mean anything to you. Whoops. Oscar Isaac just fell out. And I had this idea from, I believe Blogilates does it, where she would draw a picture of herself and how she was feeling in this year, in this moment. And then she would draw what she wants herself to look like the next year and her thoughts and feelings on how she wants to become in the next year. So I did that kind of briefly, not as in depth. I just like to use like single words or whatever. So for 2021, talking about my current mental state, my job, etc. And then next year, what I want out of life, my big goals. I actually really like this picture that I found. I liked the Come As You Are because it reminded me of Nirvana, and I just feel like I need to accept myself as who I am in a lot more instead of just looking at myself and seeing things that need to be changed. But anyways, yes, so I'm pretty happy with this. I feel like I like this better than I liked my setup last year. I just wrote down a bunch of words. I feel like it was a lot more negative last year than this year's is. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I would love to see if you guys have a vision board that you have done, or if you'd like to do one now that you've seen mine. It's super fun. Makes me feel like, I don't know, it's just a fun little art project to do. And it's nice to get in some sort of a headspace for thinking about goals for the future in a fun way instead of stressing over money or having a vaccine or not. It's just, I like them. I like dream boards. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me reach new people. And I just want to make as many friends as we can. So yeah, I will see you guys next Friday for my next video. So stay tuned for that one. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever, and I will see you soon. Bye.